is subscribe and click the, you know the drill. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, this is Aldwin. And for today's video, samahan nyo ako na mag-shop ng dog food because the dog food is already empty. Ayan siya. See, wala na tayong dog food. Wawa naman ako mga babies. So yan. So yun, samahan niyo ako for today. Samahan niyo ako today. Mamimili tayo ng dog food. And may iwan ang aking mga babies dito. With my voice, of course. Look at that. Yan.
No! No!
O, diba?
No! No! Stay! No! 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 Magmalikot ha?
Nice, yes,
No,
it's working.
Stay! Ganyan lang, stay lang. No!
So yun, maiiwan ang aking voice
No! Stay!
sa kanila.
Stay only.
Say bye-bye.
Huwag masyadong malikot, okay?
Bye guys. Bye Blackpink.
Stay.
Bye.
Stay.
Bye. Bye Ida. Bye Blackpink. See you later. Ida, baby.
No!
Bye guys. Bye Blackpink. See you later. Bye Ida.
No!
See you later.
No!
Let me see them.
No!
This is bye Sky. See you later Sky. And Cece's over there.
No!
Bye guys. See you later.
Hey!
Okay?
No!
Bye.
No!
Bye.
No!
BitCare. Oh, we don't have the mic. We have to get the mic. Hmm? This is for adult. Oh no. What happened? For adult yan eh. For baby tayo, for baby. Puppy, salmon. Puppy, lamb. Actually, lamb yung before. Ito na lang, salmon. Green fish.
Which one we want?
We want this.
Yeah.
Yes.
This one too.
Yes. That one too.
Let's get it.
No, for adult, for Ada and Blackpink first.
This one.
We'll get this. Ilan ba to? It's very hard naman pala to, ano? 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Let's make it 12. Actually 14 for 2 weeks. Let's make it 14 for 2 weeks. And then ito for puppy. Club 14. I don't think it's kasha. What else?
I'm going to pick one for you, Tito.
No.
I'm going to pick one for A.
Meron na tayo nun eh. Ano ba yun? Come here.
How old are you na?
Baby, he's asking you.
How old are you?
Do you know? Say 3. You're 3 years old. This baby.
Yeah, that
I gotta get this.
And that one's for Ada Blackpink.
Yeah.
Let's get
You
them.
have to complete it pala.
Let's get them.
Bakit by 4 lang to?
We need two.
6 dapat siya, 6.
We need two, right?
Yeah, 2 of these.
We need to get
1, 2,
three.
3, 6, 12.
12. Okay.
Beef na lang. Where's the liver? Ito pala. Beef and liver. Don't push it yet. Hold on. Ano lang may liver pa uli? Beef and liver. This one, baby. This is good na. You can put it in the cart. Can you? It's heavy. It's too heavy.
This one. So small.
It's just 2 eh. Let's replace it now.
It is just so small.
Yeah. Very small. Oh. Let's put this to here and then to here. So we can have 3. Okay.
Okay, let's get.
Come here.
I'm gonna get some.
Yes. Go get it. Thank you, baby. Thank you, baby.
What else? What else?
Hold on, baby. I'm thinking. Yes. We're gonna get this baby. Tomorrow to eh. Yes, puppy.
Oh!
Oh, it's broken.
Let's get them.
Ayaw makuha.
All of them.
Actually. Yan ba to?
That was so big, Tito. Thank you for
So big.
Oh.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. Isa pa. Let's get one more.
Let's get this.
No, not that baby.
Like this. Like this happen.
Yeah, it's for puppy. Ay, it says adult oh. Pang adult yan eh. Ayun. That one. This one oh. This is for puppy. Hey, it's 45 pesos.
The one's for puppy. This is the only
Oh,
one.
oh, it's baby.
This is the last one.
Let's try this.
This
For adult. Panghalo sa dog food. Let's get what? Ano ba ito? 2, 24, 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 49. Pwede na yan. 14. Hold on, I'm gonna get the ano. The listahan. Come on, let's move. So food, hard food. Oh, pangat-ngat. Ngat-ngatin. Don't push it too hard, okay? Come on. Come on, come on. Oh, here. This side tayo. This side, yes, this side.
Ah!
Not that. This. Yes.
Yeah.
That one.
For puppy.
This one. We're gonna get 2.
We're gonna get two.
Florida and Blackpink.
For the puppy.
We already have one there. Eh. Oh, come on, put it in there. In the cart. Thank you. There, in the cart. Inside the cart. Thanks. What else? Hold on. Let's check the listahan. Ada soft food. Baby soft food and hard food. Baby treats. And Ada and Blackpink's treats. Come here, we're gonna get that. Oh. Don't push it too hard, please. We're gonna get these.
Not that one. Not that one.
Munch and
Tito.
treat. Ay, this is too expensive. Mahal naman ito.
That one. We don't want ito.
What?
We don't want yan.
They want this, actually.
We don't want yan, Tito.
It's for Ada and Blackpink pa lang.
We don't want yan.
They want that antlers.
The baby's one.
No, not the babies. Just Ada and Blackpink. But we're gonna get treats for the babies.
No, we're going to get the little one. We're going.
I think dyan to sa may ano. Ayan. Yan yun. This one, the milk. Milk cubes. For the babies. Tsaka
For the baby.
liver. Oh. Sumabit ako, baby. Let's get the liver. Yes, for Ada and Blackpink. Okay. Hold on. Tingnan natin listahan. Ada, baby wipes, maybe basahan Bervecto. No, good na tayo sa Bervecto. That was last week. Okay, we're good. We're good. We can go na. These are the items. Nasaan yung ano?
items po. May advantage card po.
So, ayun na nga, kakarating lang namin sa bahay. Nakapaglinis na ako ng mga poopsie, ng mga babies. Pagkatapos nun, diretso na ako sa pag-arrange ng mga napamili, ng mga food nila. Babies food, yung Caesar, nila Ada and Blackpink. Gusto ko sana bumili nung lamb flavor tsaka nung chicken, pero hindi nila masyadong bet. Napansin ko lagi may naiiwan na food pag yun ang flavor. So, nag-stick na lang ako dyan sa beef and konting beef and liver na flavor kasi yun talaga yung bet nila. And yung mochi na yellow, that's for Ada and Blackpink din. Yan, pedigree na yan from Thailand. Additional flavor lang kasi napansin ko medyo nagsasawa din naman ang mga babies, kaya yun, nagdagdag tayo ng additional flavor. Gravy something yung flavor niyan. So yun, additional flavor na rin ng treats. Yung isa dyan is the milk flavor para dun sa mga babies. I think that's liver din na mga cubes para sa kina Ada and Blackpink. And so yun, I'm so happy na puno na ang ating dog food cabinet. Sana tumagal siya for maybe 3 to 4 weeks, a month max. I think naman tatagal siya kasi yung dalawang babies namin dito is going to be rehome na sa July 17. So magkakaroon na sila ng bagong fur mommy and or daddy. I'm not really sure. No, shout out kay Ate G. Thank you so much. Please love them katulad ng pamamahal ko sa kanila. Please subscribe and click the, you know the drill. Ito na ang antlers ng aking mga Junakis. Hindi, tama lang. Perfect. Wait lang, Blackpink. Are you excited? Super excited, girl. Wait lang, girl. Oh, this one too. Bango niya actually. Sarap mo. Sino excited sa antlers? Sino excited? Blackpink? Are you excited? Ay, super excited. How about you, Ada? Ada? Excited yan? Okay. Si Mami muna. Mami, Ada first. Yay! Blackpink. Good job. Hi. I love you. Milk na lang sa inyo. Milk. Okay? Hold on. These are for you, Sky. And Sisi, you already have yours. Aray ko, Sisi, that's my finger. Okay na. Uy! Sisi! Sky, stop it! Kagating ka niyan ni Blackpink. Ano ba? Punta ka ba inside? Inside the bag? You wanna go inside the bag? Ooh, he wanna play. Blackpink, ooh, he wants to play. Ayaw niya, busy. Okay, anyway. So, that's it guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa panonood ng video. Please consider liking the video, commenting down below, and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.